If your Porsche 993 is having trouble unlocking, starting, or disarming the alarm, the issue could be your Immobilizer control unit. This small yet crucial component controls your car's remote locking system and ensures only the correct key fob signal can start the engine. But over time, these units can fail, leaving you stranded. The Immobilizer unit in the Porsche 993 serves two key functions: remote locking and unlocking. It receives signals from the key fob to control the doors and alarm system. Also, engine immobilization. It ensures the engine starts only when it detects the correct signal from a matching programmed remote fob. If your immobilizer is failing, you may experience issues such as the remote fob not unlocking the doors, the engine failing to crank due to the starter relay not activating, a lack of communication between the ECU and the diagnostic tool, or the alarm horn continuing to sound if the remote fob fails to turn it off. Upgrading to a modern, more reliable unit is the best way to ensure your car remains functional and secure. This upgraded Immobilizer control unit is designed from the ground up with modern electronics, delivering enhanced performance and reliability. Key improvements include new surface mount components for greater durability, enhanced radio frequency reception for a stronger remote connection, and the added convenience of no core return required, saving you time and money on logistics. Each upgraded Immobilizer control unit comes pre-programmed with a 4-digit PIN code and includes two remote fobs with enhanced signal transmission and brand new lithium batteries. The upgraded unit is designed to be a direct replacement for all Porsche 993 models from 1994 to 1998. No modifications are required, simply install it and you're good to go. Every unit undergoes rigorous testing to ensure flawless operation before it leaves our facility. We verify ECU communication, signal strength, and overall performance to guarantee reliability. As always, our upgraded products are backed by the best-in-market 5-year warranty, providing unmatched reliability and peace of mind. Buy your upgraded Immobilizer control unit today at ecudoctors.com, or if you prefer to speak with us, our knowledgeable agents are ready to assist you with expert advice and exceptional customer service. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Porsche electronic solutions.